Welcome to the Fiscal Philosophy YouTube channel, everyone. Good afternoon. I was woken up today by an alert on my phone that MPW had jumped about 5% on one candle. And there's definitely been a battle between buyers and sellers, longs and shorts, throughout the day here, hovering near the high 420s to low 430s. Has the squeeze started is the thing that everybody's asking.
Attack!
Well, it's like I say, it's going to be kind of slow, and then all at once. But there has been definitely a noticeable trend towards some higher volume days and more buying than selling. I think now it may only be a matter of time as to when the rush for the exit on shorts happens. Probably cost to borrow will be a factor. And hey, we're not necessarily in the promised land yet, but I think this spring is getting mighty coiled. I can sense it. I'm getting that same sensation I got the other times it pumped to $650-ish last year. But this time it could push beyond that if the shorts close en masse. This thing is still super heavily shorted, and they're really running low on a short-term negative catalyst right now. In fact, even authors on sites like Seeking Alpha are starting to catch on to the fact that the prospect of bankruptcy was already priced in long ago, and that this will largely be immaterial to MPW moving forward. And I wouldn't expect for this to have a tremendous impact on much of anything like some people might have expected. Now, I did call that the day after that news came out that there would be an initial drop in the stock price, which did happen. However, since then, the stock has managed to inch its way upwards. And we have had several days that have been pretty high in volume for this stock, which, if you get green days on above average volume, that to me says that the tide might be finally shifting on Medical Properties Trust. The latest Fintel data shows over 230 million shares, which represents 44.5% of the shares sold short. However, this doesn't necessarily mean it's ripe for a squeeze imminently, just because of the fact the stock price is inched up and there's a lot shorted. There's one other X factor that's delaying this because of the fact that the stock has a low cost to borrow of about 2.8%. The shorters aren't feeling that much pain to hold their short positions open on this stock. However, if the share price were to continue to climb and then this cost to borrow were to also go up, that is, I think, when we would start to see them finally have to sweat a little bit. But you need both things to happen. You need the price to go up and the cost to borrow, I think, also to go up. And then that's when the likely rush to the exit should take place, in my opinion. Thank you for making it to the end. Please like for the algorithm, subscribe, comment below if you think the squeeze has started, and let us know where you think the stock price is going to go. I'm very interested to hear your opinions on this. Also, feel free to join the Discord, link in the description. Catch me every Saturday, 8 p.m., Cashflow Kings Live. And also, check me out on the X platform at Mr. Macho Mog. I'm trying to grow my audience there as well, so I have cross-platform appeal. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a wonderful day.